Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher, Miss Anila. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, A Wonderful Musician. So please, children, make a title page of A Wonderful Musician very nicely. You can also make this picture over there so to make it more nice and beautiful. After making the title page, then you have to answer the three questions in your copies, and that is question number 1, that who was Orpheus. Then question number 2, question number 1 is who was Orpheus, so you can write Orpheus lived in Greece a long time ago. He was the most wonderful musician, and that's it. Then the question number 2 is what was the name of Orpheus's wife, so you can write Orpheus's wife name was Eurydice. Now, the third question is what happened to Eurydice? You can write that while Eurydice was in the fields picking flowers with the girls, a snake crawled from under the rock and bit her foot, and so she was dead. That's it, you can write. So let's start with the story. This you have to read it very carefully. That Euripides lived in Greece a long time ago. He was a most wonderful musician. When he played his lyre, the birds stopped singing and listened to his beautiful music. Orpheus was a person who was living in Greece, and he was doing such a wonderful music, that when he was playing his music with the help of his lyre, the birds stopped singing and only listened to his beautiful music. And also the nymphs and the satyrs, these are also gods. They also come out of the woods from the jungle, and they also stand round Orpheus and listened to his music and begged him to continue, means to tell him to play again and again. Now Orpheus' music was so beautiful that it made everyone forget their sadness, and it made them happy. So everyone was feeling very happy when listened to his music. But Orpheus had a very beautiful wife, and her name was Eurydice, and Orpheus loved her wife very much, and he was singing all the good songs for her. And her wife was very young and lovely, and they both, husband and wife, made each other feel very happy. Now, what happened with one day that Eurydice, her his wife was in the fields picking flowers with the girls. Eurydice was picking the flowers to for her bedrooms to just surprise her husband and make her happy. Then suddenly the snake crawled from the rock, and she bit Eurydice on her foot. Now, as soon as the snake bit her foot, she fell to the ground and died. Her companions, her friends, took her to uh, home to Eurypus, but she was dead by the time. Orpheus did everything he could do for her, but she died after a few hours. Now, after his wife died, he was very sad because it was terrible to see him. Now he picked up his lyre and tried to play, but he couldn't play because his heart was sad. So his music became low, and his music became so sad that even the rocks and trees began to cry. And now he began to sing also, but he couldn't. So this much you will study, and then you will answer the questions that are shared on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Do it very nicely after making the title page, and do it with a neat writing. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.